The Vostura Pony is an enhancement framework for SAP Cloud ALM. Today, we'll look at how to use individual consistency checks for status changes and actions with Pony to ensure governance in the ALM processes, similar to SAP Solution Manager. In our example, we want to make sure that a requirement always has a process assigned to it before it can be submitted for approval. Let's go to an already prepared requirement. We set the approval status to Ready for Approval, and we try to save it. We immediately get a message that no solution process has been maintained and that this must be done before the approval can start. Now we assign the solution process and try to save the status, Ready for Approval, again, and we immediately see that saving works. Our requirement is now consistent in the status, Ready for Approval, with a linked solution process. To see how easy this can be configured, we go to Pony Administration, select the Workflows app, and open our predefined workflow called Solution Process Maintained for Approval. In our workflow, we first have defined a trigger on saving a requirement. In the following node, we check whether a solution process has been assigned. If not, we check with the next node, Approval Start, whether the approval has been started. In the node details on the right, the field Approval must equal the value Ready for Approval. If that is the case, we block the save and additionally issue a message that the solution process must be maintained before the approval can be started. After publishing this workflow, it is active. If from now on a requirement is supposed to go into approval without a maintained solution process, that is no longer possible. Today, we've seen how to use and configure custom consistency checks in SAP Cloud ALM. In our example, a requirement needs an assigned solution process before the approval starts. In our next session, we'll look at how to centrally configure custom mail notifications.
Use the QR code to learn more on our website.